Okay, so for the last video of this lesson, we have 1, 5 and negative 7, 5. So last two examples na lang to. I'll be using, okay, madali lang to. This is x sub 1, y sub 1, and x sub 2, y sub 2. So 5 minus 5 over negative 7 minus 1. So this is equal to 0 over negative 8. Wherein 0 divided by any number, this is just equal to 0. So meaning, ang slope niya ay 0. So ano itsura nun? Ito ang itsura ng graph nito. So 1, 5. 1, 5. Ito yun. Tapos yung negative 7, 5, katapat niya. Bakit naging 0? Kasi wala wala tayong rise. 'Di ba? Hindi, kung nandito yung point mo, kung nandito yung point, hindi mo na kailangan mag-rise para makapunta ba dun sa kabilang point. Okay? So, ang gagawin mo na lang, magra-run ka na lang, di ba? And how many units are there? So, 8 units yon. Pero, since 0 na yung numerator, divided by kung ano man ng denominator, 0 pa rin ang kalalabasan. And, yung itsura ng graph nun ay ganito. Isa lang siyang straight line. Okay? Kahit hindi ko straight line. So, it's horizontal. So, remember, if the slope is 0, the graph is a horizontal line. Yan. So, pakitandaan. Okay. And I'll give you another one. Let's say, masyadong makapal yung tinta. Ito pa nababago. Let's say, ang points natin ay, halimbawa, 5, 2. And 5, negative 5. Yan. So, 5, 2, and 5, negative 5. So, tingnan natin. Using the formula, we have y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. Yan. So, it's negative 5 minus 2 over 5 minus 5. So, this is equal to negative 7 over 0. But, kapag kinalculator natin yan, kahit anong number na i-divide natin sa 0, walang lalabas na value. It's undefined. Okay? So, tatandaan. It's undefined. Medyo makapal talaga yung ninipisan ko na. Ayan. So, it's undefined. Yan ha. So, magkaiba ang 0 sa undefined. So, pag 0, yung 0 ay nasa numerator. Yung undefined, yung 0 nasa denominator. And wala tayong makukuhang exact value dyan. So, it's undefined. Ano itsura nun? Pag ginraph natin, 5, 2, 5, positive 2, 5, negative 5. Ayan. So, pag pinagdugtong, it's a vertical line. So, kapag vertical, pag vertical ang itsura ng graph, the slope is undefined. Okay? Ano pang technique? Another technique is, look at the coordinates. So, kapag parehas na y, parehas yung y, 0 na kagad yung slope. Kapag parehas naman yung x, undefined yung slope. Okay? So, just a recap for slope. Recap lang tayo. Kapag ganito, hindi straight. Yan. So, kapag ganyan, yung itsura ng graph, it's increasing and it has a positive slope. Next, kapag ganito naman yung graph, this is decreasing and the slope is negative. Kapag horizontal, the slope is 0. Tapos, ayan, horizontal line lang siya. And lastly, kapag vertical, the slope is undefined. So, vertical. Yan. Okay? If you have questions, you may PM me or comment down your questions. Thank you.